Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automatic Mahjong tables that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for portability, advanced features, or a budget-friendly option, I'll break everything down for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Magnetic Mahjong Tile 2 sets by Generic. While this product isn't a full-fledged Mahjong table, it's designed as an accessory for automatic Mahjong tables. This set includes 2 sets of magnetic tiles that are compatible with many automatic tables. The tiles are well magnetized, ensuring smooth operation when used with an auto-shuffling table. If you already own a table and need additional or replacement tiles, this might be a useful companion. The design is fairly standard, with tiles that are durable and easy to handle. However, it lacks the flair or customization options of some other sets. At £30, the set is quite hefty, which may make storage a bit inconvenient. While the build quality is solid, it's worth noting that this product is better suited for those who already own a compatible table, rather than someone looking for a complete setup. In terms of value, this set is a niche product. It's ideal for those who need replacement tiles or want an extra set for alternating use. However, without the table itself, it doesn't offer the complete gaming experience. Pros include its compatibility and solid construction, but the cons are its lack of versatility and limited use case. For this reason, it ranks lower on our list. Number 4, we have the USMJ Table Ultra Thin Automatic Mahjong Table. This sleek and premium-looking table is a standout option for anyone who values aesthetics and advanced features. It boasts a folding design that saves space and includes swivel wheels for easy portability. The table features a dual-mode setting with an electronic silent dice system, making gameplay smoother and quieter. The lightning-fast tile registration system is a highlight, with tiles shuffling in just 3 seconds. The build quality is impressive, incorporating a fiberglass decorative panel and reversible hard table cover. The inclusion of 2 sets of magnetic tiles in different colors adds convenience for alternating use. However, the 250-pound weight makes it one of the heaviest options on our list, which could be a drawback for portability. Another consideration is its higher-end price point, which might not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. This table is perfect for players who enjoy advanced features and don't mind investing in a high-quality product. Pros include its speed, silent operation, and premium design, while cons are its weight and potentially steep price. If you're looking for an ultra-sophisticated Mahjong table, this is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the ProShine Portable Automatic Mahjong Table. This table offers a compact, foldable design that makes it perfect for on-the-go players. It's lightweight at just 24.5 pounds, and with dimensions of 21 by 21 by 5.5 inches, it's easy to store or transport. The auto-shuffling function is a game changer, shuffling and dealing tiles in just 4 seconds, which keeps the game momentum going. The table is powered by either a wall outlet or a portable power bank, making it ideal for outdoor use. It's an all-in-one set, including 144 magnetic tiles, 100 chips, and bilingual instruction manuals that cater to both Chinese and Filipino rules. While the build quality is good, the plastic components feel less premium compared to higher-end tables. Additionally, customer reviews have been mixed, with some users reporting durability concerns over time. This table is best suited for casual players and those who need a portable option for family gatherings or outdoor trips. Pros include its portability, flexibility, and fast shuffling. Cons include its plastic build and average durability. Overall, it's a solid mid-range option for players who prioritize convenience. At number 2, we have the Kip Duro Automatic Mahjong Table. This table stands out for its versatility, offering compatibility with both Chinese and American Mahjong styles. With 152 tiles included, 144 traditional tiles, and 8 jokers, it's excellent for multi-style gameplay. The adjustable tile distribution button is a unique feature, allowing seamless switching between rule sets. The table's compact design makes it a great choice for smaller spaces. It's stylish and portable, weighing 30 pounds and measuring just 24 by 24 by 8.2 inches. The high-quality PP material ensures durability, and the auto-shuffling feature works efficiently, saving time and effort. Like many other tables, it can be powered by a portable power bank, making it suitable for outdoor use. This table is perfect for players who want a reliable and versatile option without breaking the bank. Pros include its compatibility with multiple game styles, compact build, and durable design. On the downside, the included tiles are smaller than standard, which might be a drawback for some users. Overall, it's a great choice for enthusiasts who value flexibility and portability. Finally, at number 1, we have the PYY Automatic Mahjong Table. This table takes the top spot for its exceptional combination of features, portability, and value. It supports both Chinese and Filipino Mahjong styles, making it ideal for diverse gameplay. The included 144 magnetic tiles are high quality, and the auto-shuffling function provides a seamless gaming experience. What sets this table apart is its multifunctional design. It transforms from a Mahjong table to a general-purpose table or storage unit. And at just 14.3 pounds, it's the lightest option on our list. The compact dimensions of 21 by 21 by 5.5 inches make it perfect for indoor or outdoor use. You can even power it with a standard power bank, ensuring uninterrupted fun wherever you go. The 1-year warranty and dedicated support team add to the overall value. This table is perfect for beginners and seasoned players alike, offering flexibility and ease of use. Pros include its lightweight design, versatility, and excellent customer support. The only con is its smaller size, which may not suit players looking for a larger table. Overall, the PYY Automatic Mahjong Table is a fantastic all-rounder that delivers on quality and performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this review, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description if you're interested in any of these tables. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.